Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Jill with Texas Gardening Gal, and it is a beautiful fall day here in Southeast Texas. And I know I could be doing laundry or whatever household chore that I could possibly be doing. But instead, when my husband and son are watching a day full of football, I'm like, I'm gonna go do something. I mowed I mowed my yard this morning, and so I'm gonna head to my favorite nursery ever. It's a little bit of a drive, but it's just so beautiful and relaxing. I have no idea what I'm gonna buy or if I'll buy anything at all, but I usually don't leave there empty-handed. So let's just go see what we can find and enjoy the scenery. We arrived at our destination, so let's go see what they have. I have no idea. I'm gonna try to be good. I don't want to buy, you know how it is, garden people, you know how it is. You go places and you like this and your eyes are just wide and you just want to buy it all. Okay, we're gonna try to be good. Let's go. Look at the size of this. How much is it? $36, guys. I might have to get this. This is amazing. Look at the branches, like they weave in. Look at how different that is. I have no idea what kind of tree that is. It's so strange. It's so beautiful out in the shade. It's real nice. I love this place. You can just there's just so much beauty here. Lots of beauty. It's just so peaceful. I wish I had shade trees in my backyard. I have one. I think it's a pecan tree and a palm tree that does give some afternoon shade, but I wish it was more shaded. Yeah, I better get up and keep going, right? It's gonna close sometime. I think 6 they close. All right, let's keep moving. Break time over. Ooh, all right. I got some vitamin D. See my freckles? They're starting to pop through the makeup. That was fun. I found some pretty cool things. I could have bought so much more. I really wanted to. I put back a plumera in place of a ceramic or terracotta pot. Oh my goodness, there's a plant that just amazing. I just cannot believe I got it for the price I did, but it's beautiful, and I'm probably going to pull it out of the pot and split it up a little bit because it is so large. But what else? It was fun, relaxing, fun, hot. It's 88 degrees. I mean, there's no humidity, but it's still hot. But then when you go in the shade, it's kind of cooler. I will probably get these items planted tomorrow, as I do have some things I have to do this evening yet. So, but then Tuesday, Wednesday, we're supposed to get a lot of rain and then kind of rainy after that. So I want to really get it done tomorrow. So I will do another video of that planting stuff tomorrow. But when we get home, I'll go ahead and we'll get everything laid on the patio floor, ground floor, whatever you call it. And we'll go through what I got. But it was really fun. It was inspirational to me to get going again. We'll see you when I get home. Good morning, guys. It's Monday. Let me just show you. You probably won't see it very well because of this amazing plant. But I'm going to show you the shelf and the plant that I bought yesterday. I don't have the lights hooked up yet, but we're close. Look at that amazing plant that I got yesterday. Is it focused? There we go. Isn't that beautiful? I could not pass it up. Just amazing. And I'm probably going to take it out of this pot and split it maybe 2 or 3 ways. But I love it. Okay, let's go look at the couple other ones I bought. But first, here's the terracotta planter that I bought. Okay, we'll step outside. It's a beautiful day. And we brought this back outside. Alrighty. There's probably no lizards in here. Alright, cat mint. I love the cat mint. I don't know what happened to mine that I bought last year. I guess it just didn't make it, but it gets beautiful. It gets real pretty little flowers on it. I think I have 2 of those. And verbenias, I've got 2 red ones. And this is a little different. Let me turn it around here. I don't know if you know Aptenia? Ice plant? I'm not sure if I'm saying that. Aptenia? Sorry, y'all maybe you can say it better than me. But, verbena. We got a beautiful caladium. And then this one here, let's see. I'm not going to say that one either. Aria. And then this next one was a little different. It's a perennial. Look at the beautiful flowers. Let's see if there is a name on it. Potterweed blue. Porterweed blue. It's beautiful. I love these flowers. Butterflies, love these. So that's it. That is it for today. I've got a lot of stuff I got to do. It's just beautiful. I'd love to sit out here all day. And then, yes, the shelving, I will finish the lighting today, tomorrow, next day, sometime before Wednesday. And we'll get some new seeds planted. We'll have a video of that so then you could see it lit up. But have a wonderful, wonderful Monday, a wonderful work week, and hope you subscribe to my channel. We'll get all this stuff planted. We'll do a new video, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Thank you.